Hello friends, if when descending a hill, move the gear selector to neutral, then the car will consume less fuel than if we were driving. But friend, here need to take into account that if we switch the selector to neutral, then we need to drive the distance until the car comes to completely stop. The fact is that when we are driving in the neutral position of the car and suddenly we transfer the gear selector to drive, then this has a very detrimental effect on the gearbox. Various elements of the automatic transmission may be damaged. So you need to get to a full stop. Stop, shift the gear selector from neutral to drive and continue driving. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.